Hey guys, it's Emily here, and as you can't see, I have my eels on, my Sally eels on, and yes, this is a freaking Disney theme for Christmas unboxing haul, and I'm excited. So I have 3 packages here. I have 1 from the Disney, so then I have 2 from Depop. If you don't know what that is, it's a place where you can get used items or new items, and I got some stuff that people got from Disneyland or Disney World, so I'm so excited to open these up. And yeah, so I'm gonna save the best for last. I'm very excited to open up this one. But yeah, I've been so impatient to opening this, and I finally get to do this video because I've been busy working. But yeah, so I'm gonna unbox this one because this is the smallest one, and the other 2 has 2 items in it, and plus I got this one first. So I'm gonna unbox this one. I'm very excited. You guys know how I love Nightmare Before Christmas, and Tim Burton obviously could have on my post, so that's Corpse Bride, but it still counts. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox this right now. Oh, and it's like right here. Oh, wow. Well, now I just moved. Okay. So, this is what the first item is. I don't think it's anything else. Just checking. This is what the first item is. It is one of those pins. A lot of people like to collect them and stuff like this. I got one of Zero. They do have, like, ones of, like, Jack. And then they also have one of the Reef. But I just got Zero because I just think this one looks so cool. It has his doghouse or his tombstone. It has bones here, and then just has him right there. And I just think it's really, really cute. And I don't know, I just felt like I needed to have it, but it's super cute and I really like it. And then the back looks like this. It has Mickey ears on the back. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I really like it. It's just gonna be like for decorations, but yeah, I really like this. I really like the colors. I like how it has like silver and black, and it's just really good for the theme. I just really love this. Just something little I wanted. So the next packaging is this, and I'm actually really surprised because there is actually a plush in here. So I didn't think it was gonna be this big. So I'm really excited to open this up. Now I don't think I have to use scissors because it looks like it's pretty easy to open. And also, if you don't know, I got these eels, actually. They're actually from Disneyland, but I got them from Depop too, so pretty cool. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cute. So she wrapped it in pink, which is actually really cute because I actually do the same thing. Because this one wasn't like wrapped in tissue paper, and it's always nice to wrap in tissue paper. So, this is it. It's in here. There's 2 items. I don't know. Here's the first one. I'll do this one. This one's wrapped. This is wrapped really nicely. This is the kind of paper you want to order from. So I got 2 items, like I said. I got both of these for $20 plus shipping. So this is the first thing. And you guys, if you don't know, I love bottles. I love bottle necklaces. And this is so cute. This is actually, oh, it says Disney here. It looks like it was supposed to be glued on here, and it came unglued. I don't know if that's why she was selling it. I'm not too sure. Maybe it's just how it looks. I wonder where this is from. This might even be from Hot Topic. Who knows? But isn't that so cute? It has Jack and Sally, you know, at the end. I freaking, you know, well, obviously everyone loves that scene. I mean, that's the best scene. But yeah, I think it's so cute. And like I said, I love bottle necklaces so much. I used to make some with like Galaxy and stuff like that. But yeah, I love bottle necklaces. This looks so cute. I really like this. I really like how it looks inside, and it's just really, really cute. Like, I actually, when I ordered this, I actually thought it was like a clock thing and someone like stuck the charm in there. But actually, no. It's just, the only thing is that it moves around. So, like, I wonder if I can take this off and like glue it. Oh, yeah, I think oh no. I don't think I can take it off. Take it out. But, yeah, I probably would have to glue this though, because that would be bad if that came on loose. But, yeah, I think it's really, really cute. So, yeah, and this says Disney on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. But, yeah, I really like this. I think this is really cute. I'm actually going to wear this right now. And it actually came with a nice chain. So, yeah, this is pretty big, though. I didn't really think it was going to be that big. And also, it has the same on the back and the side, too. I don't know if you guys saw that. But I just took notes of that. But yeah, it's pretty big, but like I said, I like it. Put it on. I'm going to put it on like the like the last thing to see how long it is. Oh look, this is pretty long. Yeah, this is really cool. But I like, this is really big. That's the only thing I kind of don't like, but I love it though. So this is the next thing. I don't know. I just felt like I needed to get this. It goes with my heels, but look. It is a Minnie Mouse plush, and she is just as Sally. She is Sally. And isn't that so adorable? I think it's just really cute. This is like retiled. I forget what year it was because she did tell me, but I forget. But yeah, you can definitely tell it kind of been used. But she looks like in good condition though. It does look like she had some rips in her, unless this is just supposed to be, because you can see like the stitching. It's like really together, but I think that might just be how it is. But yeah, I think she's really cute. I didn't expect her to be this huge. Like, I thought she would be like at least like this big or whatever, but like, yeah, she's pretty huge. They also have a Jack one, and she didn't have the Jack one, she just had the Sally one. I did see someone else selling it too, but at the time I was like, didn't have a job or whatever, I forget, or I just was saving money. But yeah, but I have the Minnie Mouse Sally one, and it goes with my heels, which I think is so cute. But yeah, I don't know, I just thought it would be so cute to have. The Jack one does look pretty cool, but I don't know, I kind of don't like it that much, so I'm kind of glad I just have the Sally one. But if I come across the Jack one, I probably would get it. But yeah, she's so cute. And then this is what she looks like on the back. I just think this is like so cute. Like, I mean, she's just a Sally. But yeah, I really like this package. I really like how she wrapped it, and now I'm definitely giving her a good review. So now it's time for actually the Disney Show item. Very excited about this. When I saw this online, I was just like, oh my god, must have. So yeah, there's two items in here, and they go together, and you guys will see why. So yeah, let me open it up. This is my second time ordering from the Disney Show, by the way, because I ordered a Jack plush too. So I don't know which one's gonna be first that I want to show you guys this one first. Hold on, I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, wait. I'm gonna show you guys this one. This one's the one I have. You'll see why. So this is it. Look how cute. It is Sally, and it says Sally on it, and it has her on it. Look how cute that is. And then on the back it says Name for Christmas. So yeah, it's so cute. I got a medium. I probably should have got a small, but I got a medium just in case. But yeah, look how cute that is. And of course, like I said, I got one to that matches. I got the Jack one. This one's the one my boyfriend would wear, and I'm holding it upside down. And it says Ho Jack on it. And it has Jack on it, of course. Look how cute that is. And then like on the back it says Name for Christmas as well, Tim Burton. So yeah, it's really cute. They also have hats. They just came out with matching hats that says the same thing, and the hats is like the theme, you know, like of the outfits and stuff. And then on the back of the Sally ones it has like a rose, and then on the back of the Jack one it has his bow tie. It's super cute. I know my boyfriend wouldn't wear the hat really, because he's not really a Nightmare Before Christmas fan. But I make him watch the movies and stuff, so he's getting in there. He's getting to be one. Just not obsessed as me though. But yeah, and I sent him a photo of the Sally one saying something about this would be a good anniversary gift. Hint, hint, because it's coming. Our anniversary is coming up April 1st. But yeah, so I got this. He does know that I got this. He's in the military, by the way, so he can't wear it right now. But yeah, I can wear my Sally one. I really love this. I just think it's really cute, and I mean, like, you can live like Jack and Sally if you want to. So that is basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very excited of the items that I god. I mean, obviously, I'm wearing the necklace already, and this stuff is just so cute. And then this, like, I'm honestly going to be wearing my shirt already. But, yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to get my heels in the frame. It's, like, so freaking huge. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to. I am obsessed with Thankful Christmas and Corpse Bride as well. So, I'm always usually doing, like, unboxing videos of them and stuff like that. This is just a huge haul that I did. You can check out some other videos. I did some, like, Hot Topic ones, you know, has to do with Thankful Christmas, and just, like, other, like, you know, unboxing videos that has to do with the movie and stuff like that. So, yeah, so make sure you go check that out if you want to on my channel, and like this video, and subscribe, and everything else that you want to do. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.